You are going to love the 2022 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.